Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today really quick with I'm coming to y'all with a new earring design, and also I'm going to show you some colors from a previous design that I have created. In one of my videos I had on a pair of these earrings. I actually had them in this lime green color. So I just wanted you all to know that I do have these two colors now in my shop. For those of you who are not jewelry makers, and for those of you who come, even if you are a jewelry maker and you want to purchase or buy a pair of my earrings, these are in my shop and they are for sale. So I have them in this is like a pink, but it's not pink, but I guess you could say it's pink. So it's pink, but when you see it in person, it looks more like a rose pink. I'm gonna say like a rose pink. So I have it in this color and I have it in this color here. The next earrings that I am going to show you is pretty much like a new design that I have created, and I uploaded the design on Instagram. Like I said, you got to go to my Instagram because most of the time I showcase all my new stuff when it's a design on Instagram first before it even hit YouTube, okay? So I'm going to show you two colors that's in my shop, and I'm going to show you two colors that is coming to my shop. So these earrings have been hammered. They pretty much have been hammered. They are made out of aluminum wire. And the first two colors that I have them in this hunter green, and that's what these look like. And then I also have them in this gold color. So you can find these right now in my shop. I'm going to leave my shop link down in the description box just in case you want to go over and purchase yourself a pair. Now the next two colors that's coming is silver and lime green. These are not in my shop yet, but they will be coming soon. So I have them in silver, lime green. This is like a grass green, okay? This is a lime green. I have them in the gold color because they're not gold, but it's like a gold color, and then the silver and the lime green ones. So like I said, these two are in my shop now. These two are coming to my shop, okay? So basically, I just wanted to come to you all to show you all this new design and these right here, which are already in my shop. These are in my shop. So I want to thank y'all for watching, and for those of you who are new, please hit the subscribe all button so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified. Please like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.